Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you guys. So today's video is going to be on apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, okay? Now, I am on a weight loss journey and so far I have lost 98 pounds. Well, 97.5 to be exact, but you know, we can just round up to 98. So yeah, I've lost 98 pounds so far since the year started. And I have been taking apple cider vinegar and lemon juice the entire time, okay? And I definitely don't think that this has helped, that this made me lose weight. I don't think that it made me lose weight, but I do think that it did play a big part in how my stomach looks. Like basically like my stomach as a bigger girl was always like, I'm still a bigger girl, okay? I'm still trying to lose weight, but you know what I mean. As a heavier girl, my stomach was always just so puffy, like just so bloated all the time. Like I hated it. It was always so high. I always looked pregnant. I always looked, it just did not look good. And I just was like, okay, you know what? I want to lose weight for my health, but I definitely was very self-conscious about my stomach area. So the fact that I just wanted to get rid of that, I was like, okay, you know what? Let me just do some research on apple cider vinegar and on lemon juice. But I see a lot of people talking about it. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to do my research and basically, you know, see for myself. I'm sorry, I was sick like the last 2 weeks, so I have a little bit of a frog in my throat. Sorry guys. Okay. So let me just tell you guys some of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar, and these are backed by science, okay? It says it online right here. It says right here on my phone. It's backed by science. Now, I mean, how true is that? I don't know because I didn't write the article, but the article says that it's backed by science, okay? So the 6 health benefits of apple cider vinegar backed by science. The first benefit is high in acetic acid with potent biological effects. I don't know exactly what that means. Like, I'm not out here trying to, you know, not like that. I was never good in science in school, so I don't know exactly what that means. But that is one of the benefits, I guess. Number 2 benefit is can kill many types of harmful bacteria in the body. So that's really, really good. I do believe that once I started drinking the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice, my skin cleared up so much, you guys. Like, I don't know, I just feel like my skin looks a lot better and it looks a lot vibrant and just more pretty overall, you know? So I do believe that for sure, that the apple cider vinegar does help with that. So I do believe that. It says lower blood sugar levels and fights diabetes. Well, I have fought diabetes through my weight loss journey, so I definitely could, you know, say yes to that. I am so happy that I decided to take control of my life and get rid of this weight, and I'm continuing to get rid of this weight because I'm nowhere near my goal weight yet. I want to lose in total 150 pounds, so I'm 2 pounds away from 100, and then I got 50 pounds to go. So yeah, but I'm happy that I am reversing you know, me getting diabetes in the future. That has reversed tremendously. Now, I'm not saying that, you know, only big people get diabetes. I know smaller people have diabetes as well too, but me being overweight, that was one of the risks that I was putting myself in, and I'm happy to say that I am reversing that risk, you know, for myself as a 29-year-old woman. To say that I have diabetes, I'm happy that I'm able to say that I'm, you know, walking away from that instead of walking towards that, if that makes any sense. So the next one, it says helps you lose weight and reduces belly fat. Now, yes, it does help you lose weight, as in, like, you know, it assists you with your weight loss. You cannot just drink this and eat whatever you want. You can't say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna drink apple cider vinegar and drink lemon juice, I'm gonna eat whatever I want. It does not work that way, you guys. It does not work that way. If it did work that way, it wouldn't be so hard to lose weight. So yeah, it assists. I talk with a lisp already, so for me to say assists, it's really hard. Lisp problems. it assists you in your weight loss. So it helps you during your weight loss. You know what I mean? And I do think that it really does help target your belly fat. It really does help that because I'm just telling you right now, the bloating that I used to feel before in my stomach has gone away tremendously. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys, has disappeared. Like, I barely feel bloated in my belly anymore. And I'll let you guys know basically like how I take my apple cider vinegar and how I take my lemon juice. I'll let you guys know like at the end of reading the benefits. But I'm telling you, I can't even remember the last time I felt like super bloated in my stomach. So I'm happy about that. And then the last one, it says lowers cholesterol and improves heart health. So it improves your heart, you know, the health of your heart, and it lowers your cholesterol, which is really good because nobody wants to, you know, be out here with high cholesterol, okay? So it does do that, and I'm super happy about that, you know, that it does that. I actually didn't know that, so reading that right now, I'm like, that's amazing. And yeah, okay, so how I take the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice. Now, you can be ghetto like me and you can go buy lemon juice in the bottle, okay? Not ghetto. It's not ghetto to buy lemon juice in the bottle, but you know what I mean. Well, this is no name. This is like the cheapest brand in the grocery store that you can pick up. So, you know, I picked up that one. But there's another brand that I like using. I forget what it's called, but if I find it, I'll put like a little, you know, picture here of it. But if you want to use lemon juice in a bottle, like pure lemon juice, concentrated, like pure just lemon juice, you could definitely use that. But I mean, if you have the time to squeeze lemon juice from a lemon every day, then do that too, boo. Like whatever works best for you. I probably would recommend using a real lemon. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, a real lemon, like squeezing lemon juice out of a real lemon is probably, maybe it's a lot better. I don't know. If I had the, you know, the will to do that every day, I probably would do that. I don't, so I just use lemon juice from the bottle, okay? But if I could, I probably would use a real lemon, okay? So, yeah, I use the lemon juice from a bottle, and then this is the Bragg's raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and it says with the mother. Now, everybody always says to make sure that it says with the mother. I don't know why people say that. People say that this is the best one you can get when it comes to apple cider vinegar, is the Bragg's with the mother, and it says right here. Let me see if it focuses for you guys. Okay, yeah. So it says with the mother and Bragg. So this is what it looks like. Everybody says that this one is the best one to get. So, I mean, I didn't want to rock the boat, child, you know? I didn't want to get it wrong. I wanted to get this belly right. I wanted to get healthy. So I was like, you know what? If everyone's using Bragg's, I'm going to buy Bragg's too. So I got Bragg's with the mother as well too. And yeah, okay, so what I do is that I take this every time I eat. Okay, so every time I eat, before I eat, I take this. I take 1 cup of water. I like it to be like not cold water and not like hot water, just like warm water, but not too warm. So I guess you could say lukewarm water. Yeah, I take like lukewarm water and put it in 1 cup, and then I take 2 teaspoons of the apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice, and I put it in the water and I mix it up, and then I chug it down, and then I have my meal. And I do that before every meal. Now, because I do intermittent fasting, like I do some sort of intermittent fasting. I used to do like 20 hours fasting and, you know, have a 4-hour eating window, but now I don't know if I do that anymore. I've been kind of all over the place with my intermittent fasting. I mostly eat like 2 meals a day. I have lunch and I have dinner. So that's what I have. I skip breakfast altogether. I don't have breakfast. I have lunch and I have dinner. So I take it before lunch and before dinner. And I've been doing this for the last 10 months. Today is November 2nd, and I've been doing this since January 1st. And I've seen a tremendous change in my stomach, as well as because I, you know, eat healthy and I exercise daily. I have 1 rest day on the week, like in the week, which is on Sundays, but I don't just depend on this alone, you know what I mean? I use this, yes, and it does assist me in my weight loss, like I said, but I do the work. I eat healthy and I exercise, and I've been doing that since January 1st, and as you guys can see, as you guys pretty saw, like in the thumbnail, probably why you clicked this video, is that my stomach cut down a lot. Like, it went down a whole lot. So I'll even put pictures here again for you guys to see how much my stomach did disappear. And I know for a fact that this had a lot to do with it. You know what I mean? Like, it helps a lot. I don't know the science behind it. I mean, I just read you the science behind it, but I don't know exactly what the science is with these two together. But they work amazingly together, and they work wonders. So yeah, you guys, that is how I got my stomach down. You know, so if you have a belly, you're like, yo, I'm tired of people mistaking me, saying I'm pregnant when I'm not. I'm tired of, like, you know, me not being able to wear bodycons. I'm tired of just this extra weight that I'm carrying around. Then you should definitely I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just in a really good mood. Okay, so you should definitely try the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice. I almost forgot what they were called. But yes, guys. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful and it helped you guys along in your journey, and maybe gave you guys some ideas to incorporate this into your journey if you're not doing it already. And yeah, if you guys want more videos, ideas, or if you have any more ideas for any questions you want me to do videos about, leave them down in the description box below and I'll do that for you guys. And if you want me to do a makeup look, well, a tutorial to this makeup look, let me know, because sis, I'm feeling this. Like, I really like this a lot. I think it's really cute. I feel cute. And yeah. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long, you guys. It's just that, you know, like, life was going on, was happening, and then, oh my god, I just been through so many, like, hurdles in this weight loss journey. Like, I just broke through a real bad spot that I was going through. If you guys want to hear about that, then let me know and I'll make a video about that. It might relate to some of you guys, it might help some of you guys. But yeah, I just been, you know, it's been a tough 3 months, and then I got sick. I had a really bad cold, and I'm still, you know, getting over it. So yeah, but that's where I've been, and I'm so sorry, and I love you guys, and I promise I won't be away for that long again. You know, you just promised, so you better not do it. Okay guys, anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Yo, thumbs up this video, you guys. When you guys thumbs up my video, it helps me out a lot. You guys don't want sis to grow? Like, you don't want people to know about me? Like, come on, spread the love. Like, don't hog me for yourself. Like, press the button, okay? Press the like button so other people can find me, and other people can learn about these tricks and all these, you know, little, you know, shenanigans about losing weight too, and we have to lose weight and look good together, okay? Okay. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video, you guys. Yo, thumbs up this video, okay? Thumbs it up. Like, don't be a hater. Don't hate. Sis, come on. Like, thumbs it up, you know? Thumbs up the video. Please, I love you. I'll love you forever if you thumbs up the video. Girl, just thumbs up the video, okay? Girl, thumbs it up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I've just been in a really good mood today, you guys. Just a really good mood. But yeah. Okay, guys. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.